Hello, guys, and welcome back to another episode at Voice of Crypto with David Bond. I hope you can hear me. If you can't hear me, just tell me on the comments. Um, Before we get into any content, I would love to remind none of this content is a financial advice. You must do your own market research. If you have any questions or if you like to know anything, please just tell me in the comments. I'll be happy to reply, and we are good to start today. Is Bitcoin to face altcoin Oslo? That's what we're talking about today. Let's have a look at Bitcoin's and altcoin price. I mean, we should have a look at the dominance to see what it could potentially happen to. So, if you have any specific altcoin that you want me to have a look on, kindly comment. I would love to see the interaction as we had last time. So moving straight to BTC. Let's move straight to BTC. 1 second. What is currently playing out at the moment? We are seeing some small bearish divergence into the 4-hourly chart. So if you are on this position, I would personally just wait a little bit, but if you haven't entered yet, you might wait for the 66k level. We might not come this low, so it's more of a, place your stop loss somewhere around 68,600 and wait to see. If we go down, you can just enter again around 66. If not, you just wait on the position to go a little bit higher. Sometimes we do flip resistance, but is likely to go all the way down to the support momentum. Ethereum, it's very, very similar, like in certain ways. Considering that we just have the ETF application soon approved, I expect Ethereum to continuously go in high. So if you have entered this trade, just place your stop loss somewhere around 3,800 and wait for the play out, correct? It could go a little bit further as we saw again retesting one small resistance, so it's likely to break out to 4,000, 4,200, something like that. Okay, moving into CoinMarketCap. Let's move into CoinMarketCap. I will share the screen with you. Today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is currently at 2.57 trillion, a 0.03 decrease over the last day. Fear and greedy index is at 64, so people are a little bit greedy right now. Remember, we had the Ethereum Spot ETF approved. We had a lot of bullish things going on, such as Donald Trump talking about, Bitcoin and potentially accepting cryptocurrency in the United States. So I do not expect the market to just keep going down or going sideways. It is likely to pump. Also thinking about the middle people, how can I explain? They see everything going up and they keep buying crypto because they just see things green. So let's move into the latest BTC price prediction according to Cointelegraph. The BTC price perhaps most parabolic phase. 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin heads to the May monthly close with consolidation taking down to what the new BTC price analysis call its most parabolic phase. BTC start a new week pressuring key resistance as the May month close looms. BTC price action is keeping bulls on their toes as all-time highs proved hard to flip the resistance. Can't 69k fall by June? A quiet start to the week seems Memorial Day. The United States keep institutional activities on the table until May 28. Later, however, microeconomic catalysis heat up the form of the US data print, which is, as always, funky focal point crypto risk asset. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has the own hurdles to contend with. Consolidation below all-time high has been ongoing for over 2 months, and the resolution of the status quo remains elusive. Plenty of optimistic BTC price predictions are circulating, some including a six-figure target for BTC USD in 2024, but concerns of a deeper retracement linger into the background as the market sits in a critical point. Cointelegraph takes a look at the factors set potentially move them as may come to an end. BTC price is not just at the key 60K level. Bitcoin saw a classic page of the weekend price actions heading above 69K but retracing after weekly close. Data from Cointelegraph, the market report, and TradingView confirm. Here we have the data from TradingView. So in so doing, effectively close the latest gap in the CME Group Bitcoin futures market, even with the US closed for the Memorial Day holiday. Basic week price action so far, popular trader Dan Crypto Traders wrote in a response of X, formerly Twitter. Here we have his BTC chart with the CME Bitcoin futures data sourced by Dan Crypto Trader X. The weekly close, which came in around 68,500, was not least Bitcoin's strongest since the start of April. Commenting on the latest development, trading source Material Indicator is stressed to need to turn 69K into solid support. A green weekly close for BTC is met with another failed attempt to R/S flip 69K and the new trend precognition down signal on the W chart. Part of an next post read referring to the one of a Material Indicators proprietary trading tools. For me, a push above 71.250 invalidates. Here we have the Material Indicator X trading signal sourced by Material Indicators. So yeah, this is a different indicator that I personally don't use, but is valid. We have multiple points when it comes to TA, and it's nice to just have a look in everything that we can potentially take base on. The latest data from monitoring resources, CoinGlass, meanwhile, showcase area of liquidity bid up around spot price, leaving target to guess which will be taken first. At the time of reading on May 27, 68,100 and 69,800 were key levels of interest. The latter in the middle of a cloud of liquidity across all the books. And here we have the BTC liquidation heat map, screenshot sourced by CoinGlass. Bitcoin aims to consolidate in these levels. Michael Van de Pope, founder and CEO of trading firm MN Trading, summarized on the day: where to buy, losing 66K, and I think we'll test range low and be buying that again. That's level where you don't get on purchase ready. Okay, so here we also have the BTC USD chart sourced by Michael Van de Pope X. Breakout or breakdown? Where Bitcoin hits once it leaves its current range, it's a major preoccupation for some market observers. Consensus is forming over a break to the upside, but how high the market will go remains a topic of debate, as Cointelegraph reported calls for 95,000 in June, even 150K by the end of the year, are being reinforced by the respective sources. Popular commentator Bitcoin, the originator of the former prediction, last week suggests the BTC price dips between the range should be ignored. The only thing I'm confident about is what Bitcoin is going to 95K. That is very promising. Dan Crypto Trade, meanwhile, acknowledged that historical precedent. It's on both sides. Long periods of consolidations below all-time high has been result in a bull market breakout previously. BTC price cycles has now been trading against its previous cycle high for 11 weeks in 2017. Took 4 years in 2013. This took 13 weeks, he calculated. Both result in massive expansion afterwards. I am not expecting BTC to go slow this time either once it leaves the price range behind us. Same, I also believe on that narrative. Here we have the BTC USD chart price cycle comparison sourced by Dan Crypto Trades on X. Some, however, is still in a large correction as the base case among the popular traded credible crypto continues to eye the area around 60,000 as likely coming next. Into the weekend, material indicator added that he was fully prepared for 60k to make a comeback. Currently, not much liquidity-based sentiment for sub 60k, so expecting to range for an extended period of time. It concludes, Bitcoin having not priced in. For popular trader and analysts, the latest Bitcoin block subsidy halving is not priced in. In a YouTube last week, Red Capital argued that despite having to come and gone last month, the halving remains an extremely relevant BTC price catalyst. Bitcoin, he says, is still in a post-halving reaccumulation phase, and the consolidation it brings a historical latest for up to 160 days. The longer we can consolidate here, the better for Bitcoin. He video stated. Red Capital not less said that upside continuation inevitably ensues once surge phase are complete. For this most parabolic phase of the cycle, he continued at BTC price target of approximately 1050k is inappropriate. This weekend, meanwhile, he suggests short-term sideways BTC price action might need several weeks to resolve. And we also have the BTC price cycle screenshot sourced by Rect Capital on YouTube. And he explained everything. The PCA data leads to the macro week. With the US market closed until May 28, Bitcoin has little impetus for a major outside vitality during Wall Street hours. The Asia trading section produces no surprises and attention to focus on the end of the week. Here, US macro data print return headline by producer price index PCE, known as Federal Reserve prefer inflation gauge. The mood when it comes to risk asset benefiting from loosening Fed policy remains conservative. Interest rate cuts are expected until September or later, and other inflation data remained mixed. Despite the US stock continues to hit all-time highs, short but busy week ahead, trading resourced the Kobeissi letter wrote. While acknowledging the stock's trend in this weekly macro diary dates entry on X, pointing on tendencies on both stocks and Bitcoin trading firm Mosaic Assets show mixed condition, ultimately favoring risk on sentiment. The daily momentum indicators like the SP 500 MACD and RSI are extended, indicating the potential for mean reversal lower. While I would not be surprised to see a partial retracement on the recent gains in the stock market, I expect any downside just a pause in the bull market erode on addition of the regular newsletter. Mosaic likewise states forward in an upside breakout for BTC USD to come. Risk asset classes are particularly sensitive to easy condition, which is why I am closely following the action of Bitcoin and crypto mining stocks for additional confirmation. The bull market is intact. It continued Nothing Bitcoin 2 months consolidation. Prices moving up right side of the base over the past month and could be setting up a move to the new highs. Breakout would provide further evidence that investor appetite for speculative asset remains strong. Here we have the BTC USD versus SP 500 1 week chart shows by trading view. BTC Wales stay in the game. When it comes to buying the dips, some Bitcoin investors cohorts are wasting no time below 69K. In focus this week, Bitcoin Wales, the largest of the two, have been especially active as price has advanced and stayed near all-time high. Bitcoin Wales has been buying like never before. Vivint Singh, founder of Bitcoin public relations firm BitGrow Lab, comment alongside the data on-chain analysis platform Crypto Quantum. The data shows the balance of the well addressed in active within the last 24 hours at nearly half million BTC, easily the largest record. And they also left the BTC balance of active well addresses sourced by Vivek X. Cointelegraph continues to report on a well interest on Bitcoin, with CryptoQuant describing there as a beginning in acceleration mode early this month. Bitcoin demand growth seems to be stabilizing after being decelerating trend since March. It found this article does not contain investment advice or any recommendations. Every investment and trading moves involves risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision. Yep, we all know that. So, guys, let me know if you have any questions on the comments. Let's move back to CoinMarketCap, today's top gainers and losers. But just an outlook comment from my side. We have both and different analysis when it comes to that. But I think everybody is waiting on the post-halving movement, which is apparently happening at the moment. So you better just place your stop loss in case everything continues to pump. Okay. Coming back to CoinMarketCap, today's top crypto gainers and losers. We have Flocky at the first place, is up 19.29% on the past 24 hours. Jasmine in the second place, 10.46%. We have SNX on a third place, currently up 6.18%. Dog with a hat, 4%. I think Flocky is definitely leading today. Apart from Flocky, we don't see any, crazy move on the daily, but I'm sure on a weekly is looking very, very good for the altcoin markets. And today, top losers, we have Core that is down 9.27%. We have IO's network that is down 4.58% on a second place. Ondo, which moves really, really heavy, down 3.99%. So nothing really, really crazy on the deep side apart from Core. And let's have a look at crypto bubbles, because I think crypto bubbles, it's a very dynamic and nice way to tracking, the entire market. So today, MAGA, it is literally the top meme coin, I believe. It's 400% up on the weekly. And if you are looking into long something, you need to look something such as Venom, Nose, whatever is really, really down. If you are looking into the upside, it might be an interesting opportunity. However, all coins are moving like crazy today. Personally, I am not trading a meme coin and altcoin today, but probably in the next couple of hours. But I still have some on of my long-term holding. And yes, I would like to know if you guys have any comments to close. If not, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join the Telegram and visit the website. I will close today as we don't have any questions. I hope you enjoyed and make the most of trading. Don't forget, Boovan is here and loads of events, loads of things going on. Join Voice of Crypto Telegram, and I'll see you soon.